life away, but next year starts right now. So if you or someone you know wants to attend the EVIT school in the East Valley, the East Valley Institute of Technology, start thinking about what you need to do.
So you've been to EVIT before.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's such a great spot. They have, well, if your high schooler wants to learn anything, they have it there. Danielle is live in Mesa with what you need to know about the enrollment period, and it begins now. Hey, Danielle.
Yeah, guys, and it starts on Saturday, so definitely want to start thinking about that because most of these schools, they build up. They get pretty booked, so definitely want to start thinking about that so you can enroll come Saturday. So Dr. Chad Wilson with us this morning, the superintendent of EVIT right here in Mesa. We're at the cosmetology school, which is very popular.
It is, absolutely is, both here at our Power campus. This is a program that if you're interested in cosmetology and you're in high school, absolutely should take advantage of it, but it does fill up fast. This is one of the programs that when we open our enrollment the 1st of November, by probably January, it'll be full. So if you're interested in cosmetology, esthetician, all of that, this is the place to come. But also make sure you sign up sooner rather than later so you can get a spot.
So Saturday, first day, walk me through the process. What should people be doing?
Yeah, so our students and parents actually can go on our website, and there's a portal there that they can actually download the information to begin the registration process. If you have questions or there's still things you need to get figured out, there's also a link to connect to some of our admissions officers and counselors so we can answer your questions. I mean, cosmetology is a fantastic program, but we have over 50 programs that allow students while they're in high school to earn industry certifications and have the opportunity to enter the workforce and actually make a livable wage. You know, we believe that there's many pathways to the American dream, and one of those pathways is through EVIT.
And when does enrollment stop? So it starts Saturday, and then when does it go till?
So we keep enrolling students up until the start of the school year. The problem is some of our classes we cap, and so they close. So we will always enroll students as long as there's space in the program. And so some of our programs fill up really fast, and some of our programs actually take a bit of time. But over the last couple of years, we've grown, we've doubled in our enrollment. So this year we're sitting about 9,000 students, which means which means our programs actually fill up. But there is the space all the way through the start of the school year to enroll.
And other popular mechanic, welding? Yeah,
well, so our CNA program is popular, Certified Nursing Assistant. Our welding program, we have the largest welding school in the state of Arizona. I was talking to a gentleman whose son goes here, and, you know, the idea of being a welder out of high school, you have certificates that can take you to a job all around the world. And so welding's popular, culinary's popular. We have adult education programs, too. We have a registered nursing program, and we know that there's a nursing shortage in Arizona and across the country, and so we have an RN program that adults can participate in.
Amazing. And we have to point out the mascot here with us today. The cutest. I did the story when you guys first announced this cutie, Dr. Wilson. He's yours.
Yeah, so this is Ophi, and he's a wonderful dog. I mean, I'm always so amazed at how, when I bring him into the classrooms, how it just eases the tension in the classroom. The students go from being a little bit hesitant to talk to me to actually just engaging and having really honest conversations. The challenge with it is, though, is that Ophi has become far more popular than I am. So whenever I go someplace, it's not, how are you doing, Chad? Chad, how's it going?
Where's the dog?
Yeah, it's where's Ophi. So that's a little bit humbling to me, to be honest with you.
Oh, that's guilty, because that's exactly what I did here today. Since I did the story when they first got Ophi, I was like, hey, we need the dog here. So one more time, website, how do people find out more information? So
www.evit.edu, and get on there, and that'll take you to all the information you need to register for next year.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Doctor. We appreciate it. And remember, Saturday's the day. Open enrollment. Say bye to Ophi. Ophi, hey.
Oh, cute.
Oh, he's the best.
Gosh, what a sweetheart. Look at his tail wagging.
Perfect mascot. They do great work there.
Oh my God, they have an amazing bakery. Yeah. We're usually live there on the holidays, and you can go and buy all your baked goods, and the students are amazing. So great stuff. Thanks, Danielle.